grade 4 English class. In today's class, we are going to see about a lesson from our course book, Unit 5, Flags of the World. Before going into the topic, let us recall our previous topic. What was our previous topic? Land of Counterpane from Literature Reader. It is a poem, right? Have you all done that worksheet? Yes. So, today's learning objectives. Through this lesson, what are all the things you are going to learn? Flags of the world. You can see many countries' flags and then presenting a letter. It is given as writing a letter, so you will be able to know how to present a letter also, and then meanings of colors of the flags.
Children, can you find what is this? Yes, it is our national flag. Good. So, do you know who is this person? He is Pingali Venkaiah. He is the freedom fighter and he is the designer of our Indian national flag. Okay. Yes. Our national flag was adopted in its present form on July 22nd, 1947. Let us see the meanings of the colors of our flag. Saffron color represents courage and sacrifice. White color represents truth and purity. Green represents faith, fertility and growth. The wheel in the center, it is the wheel of virtue. Also it represents motion or growth. Here comes our lesson. It is like the grandchild is writing to its grandparents. Okay, so dear grandma, how are you and grandpa? Yesterday I was reading a lovely book on the adventures of famous people. This says that the child was reading a book on adventures. The child is explaining all these things to its grandma and grandpa. The book said Neil Armstrong was the first man to walk on the moon. He raised the American flag on the moon. The child studied this information in that particular book. A few pages later, I read here, the child read. Here you can see the American flag, right? Neil Armstrong was the first person to walk on the moon. He placed American flag, right? Yes. So, a few pages later, I read, that is the child read, Sir Edmund Hillary and Sherpa Tenzing Norgay were the first men to reach the top of Mount Everest. Hillary took many photographs of the scenery and of Sherpa Tenzing waving flags of Britain, the United Nations and Nepal. This information was also there on that book. Here you can see the Everest, Mount Everest. He explains, he writes more to his grandpa and grandma. I know that is the child. Know that every country has a unique flag of its own, but why are they so important? Why they are so important? The child was asking this to its grandparents. Do you have any interesting information on flags? He was asking this to his grandma and grandpa through letter. Okay, I'm really looking forward to your reply as always. Your loving grandson Ketan. Ketan was the grandson was writing to his grandparents. Okay, children. So he wants some more information about flags and why they are so important, and then some interesting information on flags. So here, what is mean by unique? Unique means only one of its kind. That is, here you can see the image for unique. The yellow is unique. Others are similar. One is unique. This is called as unique. Okay.
Okay, children. What we learned in today's class, we learned about many different countries' flags, right? And then its representation, and also why do countries have flags? What is the purpose of having a flag? What do they represent? The representation of the flags, right? Yes, children. So you have to complete today's worksheet in your practice work note. Okay. See you in the next class, children. Thank you.